The Sony A6700 is the latest flagship APS-C mirrorless camera in Sony's renowned Alpha lineup, blending cutting-edge performance with compact versatility. Featuring a powerful 26-megapixel back-illuminated Exmor-R sensor, the A6700 brings real-time AI autofocus, 4K 120p video recording, and advanced image stabilization into a lightweight body, making it an ideal choice for hybrid creators, vloggers, and professionals on the move. With improved ergonomics, enhanced color science, and seamless connectivity, the A6700 delivers pro-level features in a travel-friendly form, setting a new standard for creative flexibility in the mirrorless market. The Sony A6700 retains the familiar compact, rangefinder-style body of its predecessors, but introduces a host of thoughtful refinements that elevate its appeal for modern hybrid creators. Built around a robust yet lightweight magnesium alloy chassis, the camera weighs just under 500 grams, making it ideal for travel and daily use. A redesigned deeper grip improves handling, especially when using larger lenses, while enhanced weather sealing adds durability for shooting in challenging environments, such as dusty streets or light rain. The top plate now includes a dedicated mode dial and customizable C buttons, streamlining access to essential functions for a smoother workflow. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the fully articulating vari-angle touchscreen, which is brighter, sharper, and more responsive, offering flexibility for vlogging, vertical content, and creative compositions. The compact OLED electronic viewfinder complements this with crisp resolution and a smooth refresh rate, ensuring a dependable shooting experience in both stills and video. Ergonomically, Sony has refined the user interface with more tactile buttons and the updated, more intuitive menu system introduced with the A7S III. These improvements significantly enhance usability, especially for creators who need speed and efficiency in dynamic shooting scenarios. Overall, the A6700 strikes a fine balance between portability and performance, delivering a professional-grade experience in a compact APS-C body that suits content creators, vloggers, and photographers looking for versatility without the size and weight of a full-frame setup. The Sony A6700 is equipped with a 26-megapixel back-illuminated APS-C Exmor-R CMOS sensor, paired with Sony's powerful Bio-NZ-XR processor, delivering a compelling combination of resolution, dynamic range, and speed. While 26-megapixel may not seem groundbreaking on paper, it represents a sweet spot that balances detail with manageable file sizes, making it ideal for both photography and video work. The back-illuminated sensor design enhances light gathering efficiency, significantly improving low-light performance and maintaining excellent image clarity at higher ISO settings. Dynamic range is equally impressive, offering up to 14+ stops when shooting RAW, allowing for exceptional recovery of shadow and highlight detail in post-processing. JPEG output also sees notable gains, with Sony's refined processing engine delivering cleaner, more natural color transitions and crisper detail straight out of the camera. This makes the A6700 a strong performer for users who prefer to shoot JPEGs without extensive editing. Low-light shooting is particularly well handled for an APS-C sensor. ISO 3200 to 6400 remains very usable, with minimal smearing and a fine, film-like noise structure that retains detail. When paired with Sony's growing catalog of high-quality APS-C and full-frame E-mount lenses, the A6700 becomes an extremely versatile creative tool, equally suited for street, travel, landscape, portrait, or event photography. Whether you're capturing scenes in dimly lit cafes or shooting nightscapes in the city, the camera delivers strong performance without requiring the bulk or price of a full-frame setup. Altogether, this sensor and processor combo positions the A6700 as a top-tier choice within the APS-C category, offering pro-level image quality and performance in a highly compact and travel-friendly body that meets the demands of modern hybrid creators and serious enthusiasts alike. Sony has often faced criticism for its clinical and sometimes overly digital color science, but with the A6700, the company has made significant strides toward more natural and appealing color rendering. Drawing from advancements seen in Sony's higher-end Alpha and Cinema line cameras, the A6700 delivers more refined tones that feel organic and lifelike. Skin tones, in particular, benefit from smoother gradations and warmer hues, making portraits look more flattering and less processed. Colors like blue and green, which previously leaned toward oversaturation, now appear more balanced and nuanced, contributing to a more filmic and professional aesthetic. The camera includes several creative picture profiles, including the highly regarded S-Cinetone, which offers a cinematic look straight out of the camera, with soft roll-offs in the highlights and rich, detailed midtones. For advanced video work, S-Log3 and HLG profiles are also available, giving filmmakers the ability to capture a broader dynamic range for color grading in post-production. One of Sony's biggest strengths with the A6700 is consistency. Whether shooting stills or video, in natural light or artificial, indoors or outdoors, the camera consistently delivers accurate white balance and pleasing tones, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. This reliability, combined with the flexibility to fine-tune your look in camera, makes the A6700 a powerful tool for creatives who want control over their visual style. Whether you prefer a vibrant, punchy aesthetic for street photography, or a softer, more muted look for documentary storytelling, the A6700 allows you to achieve it without compromise. This evolution in color science represents a meaningful step forward, especially for hybrid creators who demand both photographic accuracy and cinematic visual appeal from a single compact system. Autofocus has long been one of Sony's standout features, and the A6700 pushes it even further, with significant upgrades powered by AI-driven subject recognition. This new system allows the camera to intelligently detect and track an impressive variety of subjects, not just humans and animals, but also birds, insects, cars, trains, and airplanes. IAF is noticeably faster and more accurate, locking onto a subject's eyes instantly and maintaining focus even during erratic movement or when partially obscured. The autofocus coverage spans nearly the entire frame, giving photographers and videographers greater creative freedom with off-center compositions without sacrificing precision. For action and sports photography, the A6700 delivers up to 11 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, and an impressive 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter in blackout-free mode, making it a reliable option for capturing fast-paced moments. Rolling shutter artifacts are well controlled, and the camera's fast processing pipeline ensures minimal lag, even when tracking high-speed subjects. Beyond performance, the A6700 scores high in usability. The updated menu system, inherited from Sony's more premium models, is more intuitive and paired with a responsive touchscreen interface that streamlines settings navigation. Customization options are plentiful, with a flexible FN menu and the My Menu system that lets users build a quick access layout tailored to their shooting style. Battery life is excellent for a camera of this size, thanks to the high-capacity NPFZ100 battery, which delivers around 550 to 600 shots per charge. Additionally, USB-C charging with power delivery support allows users to shoot longer sessions or power the camera on the go. Altogether, the A6700 offers a fast, intelligent, and customizable autofocus system in a portable package that meets the needs of both still and video shooters working in dynamic environments. Perhaps the most significant leap forward for the Sony A6700 lies in its video capabilities, which now closely rival those of Sony's high-end cinema line. At its core, the camera offers oversampled 6K to produce exceptionally detailed 4K footage at up to 60p, delivering rich clarity and fine texture that elevates production value. For creators who require slow motion, the A6700 can record 4K at 120p with a modest crop, and Full HD goes up to an impressive 240 FPS, allowing for dramatic slow-motion playback ideal for action or creative storytelling. Internal 10-bit 422 recording, along with professional-grade profiles like S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, provides incredible color depth and flexibility, making the A6700 equally suited for indie filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial video work. Image stabilization has also been enhanced, with 5-axis in-body stabilization delivering up to 5 stops of compensation, while the addition of active mode adds digital correction for even smoother handheld footage, perfect for vlogging and fast-paced shooting scenarios. Autofocus performance in video mode is consistently reliable and cinematic, tracking subjects smoothly without distracting pulsing or focus hunting. Connectivity is another strong point. The A6700 features full-size HDMI, headphone, and mic jacks, as well as USB-C with power delivery, and Wi-Fi 5 GHz for fast wireless transfers or remote shooting via mobile devices. It also supports UVC/UAC streaming, allowing it to function as a high-quality plug-and-play webcam, an excellent feature for content creators and professionals who live stream or conduct remote meetings. Altogether, the A6700 stands out as a true hybrid powerhouse, combining serious video chops with strong stills performance in a lightweight, travel-friendly APS-C body. While it may lack the prestige of full frame, it proves that APS-C remains a highly relevant and capable format in 2025's competitive camera landscape. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.